Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster MG. Today we got this brand new HS to show you. Quite exciting news as well for us and for you guys. So it's a new facelift version of the HS. They do come in two variants, which is SC and Trophy. In front of us is the the Trophy, and it's got a nice black pole, shiny black pole. So as you can see, the main difference is the front of the car, which is the headlight and the grille, and now we got indicators on the side bumpers. It's really nice. In this video I'll be walking around the car showing you what the new facelift version looks like. So you got 4 LEDs in there, got your nice GML turn indicators, 18-inch alloys which are diamond cut. It's really nice. On the Trophy you got rear privacy glass. See, coming to the rear we got parking sensors and reverse camera along with these new LED tail lamps. As you can see, dual exhaust notes as well. Coming to the back of the car, show you the boot space on this car. Really lovely boot space, as you can imagine on the last HS as well. You do have some storage space under, along with the space for your tires, spare tire and a tire packet there. That's your camera back there. Does have the still keyless entry available. So yeah, I'll jump in and I'll show you the interior, what's changed inside. So you still got leather interior and with the ISOFIX settings both the sides. You got the third climate control there with a couple of USBs. You do have ambient lighting inside, which as you can see, the blue one. That's same as the ongoing current model. You do have all 4 automatic windows along with your wing mirror function, the locking system there, tons of storage space in the door as well. You do have the same digital cluster, digital driver dashboard information as well. 10 miles on there, brand new. What new is the center end frame and using as well. So they've completely taken it off and you get a brand new system in place. So Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard as well with your navigation. As you can see, quite responsive this one. Also you do have heated seats for driver and passenger along with the dual zone climate control. Down here we got a couple of USBs along with the 12-volt socket. Got a hazard button down there, 6-speed manual. You got auto on and off. You got a parking brake here, park hold. You do have hill descent modes still on this car. Show you the reverse camera. So you can see nice and clear reverse camera, a couple of cup holders there and tons of storage space. So yeah, you still have these bucket seats and the car is available. Feel free to come down, have a look. If you want to go test drive, that's available too. All right, don't forget to send us an inquiry. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.